ICSE Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter 19, Exercise 19D, Question number 6. Draw an ogive curve from the following data and find out A. The median wage, B. The number of the workers earning less than rupees 55 per week. यहाँ पर देखिए वीकली वेजेस दिया हुआ है 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Number of workers in the first class, that is 40, 51, 60, 38 and 1. Cumulative frequency 40 as it is, 40 plus 51, that is 91, 91 plus 60, 151, 151 plus 38, 189, 189 plus 1, that is 190. So in order to prepare the graph or ogive, you can say, we will take the upper limit of every classes. So for 20, 40, you see, 20 to 40. 40 to 91, 40 to 91, 60 to 151, 60 to 151, 80 to 189, 100 to 190. In this way, we will plot the graph. We will plot the points, these points, whose coordinates are written here. After plotting the points, we will join with the freehand curve. We will draw the freehand curve. And this freehand curve is the required ogive. With the help of this ogive, we have to find the median. First of all, you see n by 2, that is 95. So we have to locate this 95 on the y-axis. You see here it is 95, means that is in between 90 and 100. So it is 95, that is A point. From A, we draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the ogive curve at the point B. From B, we drop the perpendicular to x-axis and that will give you the point M, and it is a median approx. That is the median. So AB, that is parallel to xy, BM is perpendicular to x-axis, OQ is parallel to y-axis. You see, OQ is parallel to y-axis. In order to find out the number of the workers earning less than 55 rupees per week. So here it is 55. From here we just draw a parallel line to the y-axis which intersect the ogive curve at P. From P point, you draw a line parallel to x-axis, that is, and it intersects the y-axis at the point R. So from this point R, we can find out the number of workers, that is 136, who are earning less than rupees 55 per week. And this will be the second answer. The first answer is the median. Second answer is 136. It is the number of the workers. Now come to the question number 7. Represent the following data by the cumulative frequency curve and locate the median and quartiles graphically. See, the income is given, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 20 in rupees, that is 20 to 30 rupees, 30 to 40 rupees, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of workers, that is 50 in the first class. In the second class, that is 100, 20 to 30, that is frequency concerned to this class is 150, 30 to 40, 200, 40 to 50, 200, 50 to 60 is 100. Now in order to find out the cumulative frequency For 50 it will be 50. 50 plus 100, 150. 150 plus 150, that is 300. 300 plus 200, that is 500. 500 plus 200, that is 700. 700 plus 100, that is 800. So the total frequency will be the 800. Here I have taken the scale, that is 3 centimeter is equal to 10 unit along the x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 unit along the y-axis. So for finding out the median, first of all we find out the n by 2, that is 800 divided by 2, that is 400. Median will be equal to the lower limit of the median class, that is, you see that this is 400, so it will be the here. Cumulative frequency, that is 500, and this class is known as median class, so the exact lower limit, that is 30, so 30 plus 400 minus 300, 400, that is n by 2, n by 2 minus the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 300, so 400 minus 300 whole divided by 200 into 10, it will be equal to 30 plus 1000 into 200, that will be equal to 35. So for Q1, we will find out the n by 4 minus cumulative frequency of preceding class, that is CF0, whole divided by F, that is concerned frequency of the class, into I means class interval. So it will be equal to, you see, first of all you use n by 4. n by 4, that is 20 plus 800 divided by 4 minus 150 whole divided by 150, that is the frequency, into 10. So it will be equal to 20 plus 3.3, that is 23.3, that is the first quartile. Third quartile, 40 plus 3 by 4 into 800 minus 500 divided by 200 into 10, that is equal to, you see, first of all we find out the exact lower limit, that is 40 here. 40 plus 100 into 10 divided by 200 and solve it, you will get 45, third quartile. Let us go on the graph first. After plotting the points, we'll after, you see, the upper limit will be taken as on x-axis and cumulative frequency along the y-axis. So for the first point, that is 10 and 50, 20 and 150, 30 and 300, 40 and 500, 50 and 700, 60 and 800. These are the points. After plotting these points, we join it with the free hand in order to make the free hand curve. So after joining these, we will get the concerned or required ogive curve. Now let us find out the median first, n by 2. So first we will locate this n by 2, that is 400. It will be on the y-axis. From here, means from the A point, we draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the ogive curve at the point B. From B point, we drop a perpendicular to on x-axis, that is the C point, and it will be the median. Now, in order to find out the first quartile, that is n by 4, we have to locate it here, that is 200. From here, we draw a line parallel to the x-axis which intersect the ogive curve at the point H, drop perpendicular to x-axis, that is Q1. So the 23, that will be the first quartile. In order to find the third quartile, that is 3n by 4, find it out, it will be equal to 600, and draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the ogive curve at the point E. From E point, you drop a perpendicular which intersect x-axis at F, and that will give you the third quartile, that is 45. In this way, we can find out the median and quartile, first quartile and third quartiles. Let us proceed to the question number 8. Draw the ogive for the following frequency distribution. Estimate the median and quartiles graphically. You see, inclusive class is given 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, and 61 to 70. So we have to convert this inclusive class into exclusive class. What we do, that 10 plus 11, that is 21 divided by 2, that will be 10.5. So 10.5, now the second means lower limit of the second class will be 10.5, and similarly we can find out that upper limit of the second class, that is 20.5. So we'll get the class, a exclusive class like this, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 60.5, 60.5 to 70.5. Now the frequency is already given 2, 5, 7, 12, 8, 7, 4. Now to find out the cumulative frequency, just write down 2 as it is. 2 plus 5, that is 7, 7 plus 7, that is 14, 14 plus 12, that is 26, 26 plus 8, that is 34, 34 plus 7, 41, 41 plus 4, 45. Now to prepare the graph, let us first of all find out the scale. 2 cm is equal to 10 units along the x-axis. 1 cm is equal to 2 units along y-axis. Median, you see, the 30.5, where the n by 2, you see, what is the total frequency? That is 45. So divide it by 2, you will get 22.5. That will be in this group. So the 30.5 will be the exact lower limit. So 30.5 here. 22.5 minus 14, that is the cumulative frequency in the preceding class, whole divided by 12, that is the frequency of the median class. So 22.5 minus 14 whole divided by 12 into 10. So we will solve it here. You will get 37.58. This will be the frequency. Sorry, this will be the median here. Now on the graph you see n by 2, that is 22.5. We just locate it. That will be in between 22 and 24. So n by 2, that is 22.5. After locating the point A on y-axis, we draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the required ogive. At B, from B, you drop a perpendicular which intersect the x-axis at M. So M is the median. Find out its value, that is 38.1. Here it is 37.58, that is as per the calculation, but graphically we are getting here 38.1. So let us proceed to the question number 9. Attempt these questions on graph paper. Age 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75. Number of casualties due to the accidents, that will give you the frequency. Here you see 6, 10, 15, 13, 24, 8, 7. Cumulative frequency 6 as it is. 6 plus 10, that is 16, 16 plus 15, that is 31, 31 plus 13, that is 44, 44 plus 24, that is 68, 68 plus 8, that is 76, 76 plus 7, that is 83. So total number of frequencies are 83. Here we have taken the scale, that is 2 cm is equal to 10 years along the x-axis, 2 cm is equal to 10 casualties along y-axis, n by 2, that is 83 by 2, that is 41.5. So mathematically, if you want to calculation, with the help of calculation, if you want to work out the median, that will be, you see, first of all we have to locate the 41.5. That will come here in this one where it is 44 is written. So just you go up, you will get exact lower limit, that is 35. So 35 here, 41.5 minus 31 preceding class frequency, whole divided by 13, that is the frequency of the median class, into class interval, that is 10. So 35 plus 8.07, it will give you the 43.7. Now, in order to find the third quartile, that is Q3, that will be equal to 45 plus 62.25 minus 44 whole divided by 24 into 10. It will be equal to 45 plus 7.6, that will be equal to 52.6. In order to find the median on the graph, you just locate the point, that is 41.5 here. From here you draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the point on the ogive. From the intersecting point you drop a perpendicular in order to get the median, that is equal to 43. Now for Q3 means quartile, third quartile, that is we have to find out first of all 62.25. You see 62.25 here. From this point you draw a line parallel to the x-axis which intersect the concerned ogive. From the intersecting point you drop a perpendicular to the x-axis. You will get the Q3 value, that is equal to 52. So in this way you can find out the median and third quartile. Now proceed to the question number 10. Marks scored by the 400 students in an examinations are as follows. The marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Number of the students, that is 10, 20, 22, 40, 40, 55, 75, 80, 58, 28, 12. Now cumulative frequency, in the first, that is 10 as it is, 10 plus 20, that is 30, 30 plus 22, 52, 52 plus 40, that is 92, 92 plus 55, that is 147, 147 plus 75, that is 212, 222, 222 plus 80, that is 302, 302 plus 58, that will be equal to 360, 360 plus 28, that is 388, 388 plus 12, that is 400. So for n by 2, that is 400 divided by 2, that is equal to 200. So n by 2 will be equal to 200. Median will be equal to 50. Means we have to first of all we find the where it is 200. So here in this class, this class is known as median class. So this will be the preceding class. So here you see 50 plus 200 minus 147 divided by 75 into 10. It will be equal to 50 plus 530 divided by 75. So 50 plus 7.06, that will be equal to 57.06. So in order to prepare the graph, first of all we have to select the scale. So that is 1.5 centimeter is equal to 10 units along the x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units along y-axis. 80% of the 400 students, that is 320 students passed. So 400 minus 320, that will be equal to 80 students failed. So let us find out first of all median, that is 200 from this point, that is P. Draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the ogive curve at the point Q. From Q point you drop a perpendicular to x-axis which intersect the x-axis at the point M, that is the median mark, that is 57.5. As the first quartile, you have to locate the point A, that is 80. 80 from the A point, you draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersect the concerned or required ogive at the point B. From B point, you drop a perpendicular. So you will get 36, and that 36% will be the pass mark as per the given statement. So 36% will be the pass mark. Now, in order to find the question number 11, first you draw an ogive. You see the question number 11. Draw an ogive for the following frequency distribution. Use your ogive to estimate the median, the number of the students who obtained more than 75% marks. So the marks are like this: 0 to 9, that is number of students 5, 10 to 19, 9, 10 to 29, 16, 30 to 39, that is 22, 40 to 45, 49, that is 26, 50 to 59, that is 18, 60 to 69, that is 11, 70 to 79, that is 6, 80 to 89, that is 4, 90 to 99, that is 3. So first of all, let us find out the cumulative frequency, that is 5. 5 plus 9, that is 14. 14 plus 16, that is 30. 30 plus 22, 52. 52 plus 26, that is 78. 78 plus 18, that is 96. 96 plus 11, that is 107. 107 plus 6, that is 113. 113 plus 4, that is 117. 117 plus 3, that is 120. So now find out the exclusive class. So 9 plus 10, that is 19 divided by 2, that will be equal to 9.5. So 9.5 will be the upper limit of the first class, and lower limit of the second class will be also 9.5. So we will get the exclusive class like this: 0 to 9.5, 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5, 69.5 to 79.5, 79.5 to 99.5, 89.5, 89.5 to 99.5. Now we plot the points with the help of the upper limit and the cumulative frequency given here. So 9.5, you see 9.5, 9.5 and 5, 19.5, 14, 29.5, 30, 39.5, 52, 49.5, 78, 59.5, 96, 69.5, 107, 69.5, 107. So 79.5, that is 113, and 89.5, that will be equal to 117, and 99.5, that will be equal to 120. So in this way we will plot the points first. After plotting the points on the graph, you just join these points with the freehand curve, and this will be your required ogive. So now we find out the number of the students. First of all, you find out the median, so n by 2. Locate the n by 2, that is 60. 60 will be here. From this point, you draw a line parallel to the x-axis which intersects the required ogive at the point B. From B point, you drop a perpendicular on x-axis that will give you the median, that is equal to 43. Now we have to find the number of the students to obtain more than 75% marks. So we will just select the 75% here on x-axis. Now draw a line parallel to y-axis which intersects the ogive. From the intersecting point, you draw a line parallel to x-axis which intersects the y-axis at this point. That will give the number of the student. You see here 120. 120 minus 110. So here it is 110 and maximum is 120. So 120 minus 110, that will be the 10 students who have obtained the marks more than 75%. In this way you can find out. Now proceed to the question number 12. Now you see, the question number 12 we state that in a public collection towards the erection of memorial, 1000 people contributed sum of money varying from rupees 1 to 100 in units. Rupees 1. The following table gives the frequency distribution of contribution. You see, 1 to 10, that is number of students, that is you see here 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. This is inclusive class. I have written here, this is inclusive class. So we will convert it into contribution in rupees, that is exclusive class. So 0.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5. In this way, we will prepare the exclusive class. So now the frequency, it is already given in the book. That is 30, 60, 80, 170, 200, 180, 140, 70, 40, 30. Now prepare the cumulative frequency, that is 30, 90, 170, 340, 540, 720, 860, 930, 970 and 1000. Find out n by 2, that is 1000 divided by 2, that is equal to 500. Median will be equal to 40.5, means 40.5 here. Now you see here 540 in this class is known as the median class. So 40.5 will be the exact lower limit of this class. So I have written here 40.5 plus 500 minus 340 divided by 200. 340 is the cumulative frequency in the preceding class. So 500 minus 340 whole divided by 200. 200 is the concerned frequency of the median class, that is 200 into 10 class interval, that is 10. Solve it, you will get 48.5 as per the calculation. The persons who contributed rupees 45 or more, that is 100 minus 44, that will be equal to 56%. Now let us do it with the help of graph. First of all, to make the graph, what you do, you select the scale, that is 1.5 centimeter is equal to 10 unit along x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 40 unit along y-axis. Now locate these points. The data given in the table, with the help of that, you see 10.5, 30, first point. Second point, that will be 20.5, 90, 30.5, 170, 40.5, 340, 50.5, 540, 60.5, 720, 70.5, that is 860, 80.5, that is 930, 90.5, 970, 100.5, that will end 1000. In this way, we will plot the point. After plotting the points, we join these points with the free hand in order to get the concerned ogive. Once we prepared the ogive, we find out the n by 2, that is here the A point, that is 500, so that will be equal, that will be in between the 480 to 520. So this will be the A point, that will be equal to 500. From A point, you draw a line parallel to x-axis, which intersect the ogive curve at the point B. From the B point, drop a perpendicular which intersect the x-axis at the point M. Find out the value of M, that is equal to 49. 49 is the required median, and as per the calculation we got it 48.5. So it is a slight difference with the help of graph and with the help of calculation, and it is 49. In this way, the question number 12 is over.